So I'm heading east on Route 62 like I do every day because I'm working in Canton now. And I just wanted to show you that Ohio does not get snow up in the mountains like some states do, but if you go up north in the winter, you'll probably get a lot of snow. See, like I'm right on the edge of the snow belt, kind of like it's kind of like the mountains in Ohio. Like if you love snow, just drive 30 minutes north in the winter, and almost guaranteed if it's below 32 degrees, there'll probably be some amount of snow. So it's similar to the mountains. I know a lot of people around here complain because there's no mountains and nothing like that around here. But see, as you can see, those low-lying clouds are a sign of snow. And that's north, and then south, absolutely no clouds. So it's just like lake effect snow. It's sort of like living in the mountains if you don't, because Ohio doesn't really have mountains. So they'll be almost guaranteed in the north, the north part of Ohio, there'll be snow in the winter because they get so much lake effect snow, and it's hard to melt all the snow. So the further north you get, the closer to Lake Erie, the more snow there'll be. So remember that lake effect snow I was talking about earlier? That was yesterday actually. So we got a little bit, but then I'm actually south of where I live, and the funny part is I was delivering wood. I didn't record when I left, but there's even less snow up there. And then at my house, there's more. As you drive further north, you can tell there's more snow. Like my driveway's covered, and a lot of these driveways aren't. And the guys that I delivered wood to, there's hardly any snow on the driveway, and there's no snow on the road at all. But now we're starting to get into more snow, but it's still not like it is at home. And I'm gonna keep this recorded until I get home because it's really neat to see, and it does complete justice for what I said last night, how in Ohio we get a lot of snow up north in the state near the lake, even though I'm not really that. I'm about an hour and a half from Lake Erie, but still, it's funny how just 10 miles away, which I was delivering, there can be so much more snow north of where I delivered. See, and I think from when I started recording, you can already see there's more snow because of the lake. So I'm getting ready to turn right on my road. You'll be able to tell right away. We got a lot more snow. See, like all those cars in that motel parking lot are covered in snow. Down south there wasn't even any snow on the car. And you can see right here, here's my driveway, right here. And now as you can see north of my driveway, the road's completely covered. And then my driveway is also completely covered. You might be able to see some tracks because I've been down here, but a lot more snow up here.